Let's take a curious journey into the fascinating world of the brain. When we think about how our mind functions, it all starts with activation pattern. Those unique signatures align different parts of our brain depending on what we're doing. Resting state functional activity is like a cozy chat among brain regions when we're simply relaxing, showing us how different areas stay in touch even when we're not actively engaged. Now when we're tackling a task, our brain shifts gears, visible with task-related functional imaging, highlighting the active networks at play. At the top of the executive suite sits the prefrontal cortex, especially the medial prefrontal cortex, will help us plan, decide, and make sense of the world. Surrounding it, the anterior cingulate cortex acts like a vigilant supervisor, monitoring conflicts and emotional responses. Deep within our brain's memory vaults, the hippocampus is busy encoding episodic and contextual memories. Think of it as your personal photo album of experiences. It also engages in associative learning, helping us connect the dots between different pieces of information. Interestingly, hippocampal activation and connectivity are crucial for our ability to remember and learn. But memory isn't just about the hippocampus. It's part of a broader limbic and paralimbic network that handles our emotions and motivations. Regions like the insula and the bilateral amygdala are key players here, especially when it comes to fear-based responses. The amygdala in particular acts like an alarm system, reacting strongly to threats or negative beliefs. Sometimes our brain's networks become a bit dysfunctional, leading to negative beliefs and dysfunctional attitudes that can color our perception of ourselves and the world. These are often associated with increased activity in dorsal areas and the cingulate cortex, reflecting a sort of internal rumination. Another intriguing piece of the puzzle is the periaqueductal gray, a region involved in pain and defensive behaviors, and the inferior frontal gyrus, which plays a role in language and social cognition. The insula, meanwhile, help us process feelings and bodily sensations, adding an emotional flavor to our experiences. All these attuned cortical areas and interconnected networks work together, creating a dynamic tapestry of thought, motion, and memory, sometimes harmonious, sometimes a bit tangled, but always fascinating. So next time you ponder a memory or feel a rush of emotion, remember, your brain is orchestrating an incredible symphony of activity, all happening behind the scenes.